Hey, what's going on YouTube out there, man? Today, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling generous. Hey, so I want to drop some good business advice on you guys right now. The only way that you guys out there are going to create that generational wealth to start stacking up that bank account, especially you guys that want to either be in business, stay in the business, or get into business, you guys have to create products or some type of service. You have to provide some type of service or create some type of product that is going to help somebody else out here, you know. So just think about that. Quick piece of advice. I'm in front of Chase right now. Let me see. I'm in front of Chase, DAT. Big shout out to DAT. DAT, I salute you. You know, about to go up into Chase and cash this quick affiliate marketing check. I'm a partner now, you know, with a big company. Feeling good, feeling great, you know. So $977. I'm talking about making money while you sleep. This is making money while you sleep right here. So hey man, like I said, I'm feeling good, feeling great. About to go up in here and cash this check. Hey, think about that. Creating a product or a service. Hey, so in this quick video, I just want to put this out there to you guys, man. Just my thoughts and my opinions. So a couple of days ago, I was talking to this gentleman, and I have never been asked this question. So honestly, I never even thought about it, to be honest. Well, I have been asked by other women, do I see any women out trucking? You know, so basically the gentleman asked me, you know, what do I think about women getting into the trucking industry, whether they're trucking or whether they're becoming dispatchers or freight brokers. So I've never been asked that question, so I'm just gonna put it out on this video, my thoughts on what I think about women getting more involved into the transportation industry. So for me, I think it's amazing, to be honest. You know, there's qualities females have that males don't have, you know. So I'm a business owner, you know. I don't look at the person or who the person is. I look at what type of qualities do they have. And I could tell you guys, women beat males in a lot of qualities when it comes to planning, organizing, you know, to administrative work or whatever it is, you know. So for me, I just believe that when it comes down to it, I mean, we all just have to work together anyway. You know, it's not about, you know, females getting more involved into the trucking industry. Yes, they're getting more involved into the trucking industry. They are more females now these days that you'll see whipping up and down the highway in those 18-wheelers. You know, I don't see too many women right now in hot shots, you know, for some reason. I don't really know what that reason is. Maybe you ladies, you know, do some of you ladies want to get off into hot shot trucking, you know, or is it not something that is common, you know, for you to even think about it? You know, so I guess when you're thinking about trucking, the first thing you think about for the most part is 18-wheelers anyway. So 9 times out of 10, if you are a new Class A CDL holder, you're going to drive an 18-wheeler, you know, because that's just what you learned on. Now, what you do after the actual school is pretty much up to you. So, but like I say, man, just when it comes to my opinions on, you know, women getting more into the trucking industry, you know, I just think it's awesome. You know, it's nothing like evolution. So that's why I always tell you guys, you have to evolve out here. You know, that's what life is about. It's about evolution. And you might not have to adapt, but I believe you should be able to adjust, you know. So just adjust. Some of you guys out there, you know, I understand trucking is a male dominated type of industry, but when it come down to it, to me, I mean, it really don't matter. Everybody's so focused on what the next person is doing. So maybe just another piece of advice. Stop worrying about what the next person is doing and just focus on yourself. So whether it's a female or a male, it don't matter. I don't care about what no one else is doing, to be honest. That's why I'm a content creator. So maybe some of you guys out there that I always encourage you guys, maybe some of you guys need to become content creators too. You know, everybody has a story. So anyway, for me, I don't never like to elaborate on nothing that really brings me no value too. I'm just trying to put this video out to tell you guys, hey, that's my opinions. If you ask me what I think about women in the trucking industry, it's awesome. It's very awesome, you know? And we're gonna all make money together. So that's my answer. It's awesome. And I hope more women get into the business. So I hope you women out there keep hustling, you know? Don't let none of the males discourage you from what you want to do. Never think that because it's dominated by males that you can't succeed in this industry. You know, it's all up here. I always tell you guys, it's that mentality, it's that hustle. So I just want to put this video out there to you guys, what you guys think, you know? Leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys think about women being in the industry, you know, and give your honest opinion too at the end of the day. You know, like I told you guys, my honest opinion is it's awesome. I only got enough time to say it's awesome. No time to elaborate on it because it's really awesome. You know? So, hey, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on my email, broker@manixtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS Trans and Financial Services. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.